Hey there, this is Veena from Patter Cake, the channel that's about baking and much more. Here's where you'll find quick and tasty recipes for new cooks and those with less time to spend in the kitchen. Okay then, let's get cracking with today's recipe. Welcome to Patter Cake. Today we are making Goan Jirem Meerem, a tasty traditional Goan curry without coconut. So let me show you how to make Jirem Meerem fish curry. For the benefit of non-Goans, let me explain that Jirem means cumin or jeera in Konkani and Mirem is the Konkani word for black peppercorns. That explained, let's get started with making our flavorful Jirem Meerem Goan curry right here at Patter Cake. Our tasty fish Jirem Mirem curry is ready to be served. Besides Iswonn or Surmai, some other fish varieties with which this curry is made include Bangdas or mackerel, Shevto or mullet, Muddoshi or ladyfish, and Lepo or soulfish. Now different people have their own favorite fish for Jirem Mirem. Which one is yours? Do let me know through the comments box, okay? Hope you enjoyed today's video and do stop by again for yet another quick and tasty recipe. Till then, take care, happy cooking!